Welcome to ACCA F1, now known as Business and Technology. This course is the first step in your journey toward becoming a certified accountant and business professional. The ACCA F1 syllabus covers essential topics that lay the foundation for your understanding of the business environment, organizational structures, and the role of technology in business. In this course, we are committed to making your learning experience as straightforward and engaging as possible. Each topic will be explained in an easy-to-understand manner, complete with plenty of examples to illustrate key concepts. Whether it's understanding the types of business organizations, exploring the impact of technology, or learning about ethics in accounting, we'll break down each subject so that it's clear and manageable. To further support your studies, we will provide practice questions and answers from renowned publishers like BPP and Kaplan. These resources are designed to help you test your knowledge and prepare for the exam confidently. By following our course, you'll gain a solid grasp of the material and develop the skills needed to excel in your exams. Our goal is to ensure that you not only pass, but do so with a strong understanding of the fundamental principles that will serve you throughout your career in accounting and business. We are excited to have you on board and look forward to guiding you through this important learning journey. Let's get started and make your ACCA F1 experience a successful and enriching one. F1 students, studying the syllabus thoroughly before diving into the textbook offers several significant benefits. 1. Clear understanding of exam scope. The syllabus outlines the topics and concepts that will be covered in the exams, providing a clear roadmap of what to focus on. This helps students prioritize their studies and concentrate on the areas that are most likely to be tested. 2. Efficient study planning. By knowing the syllabus content, students can create a structured study plan. This ensures that all essential topics are covered systematically and within a manageable time frame, reducing the risk of last-minute cramming. 3. Focused learning. The syllabus highlights key learning outcomes and objectives for each topic. Understanding these objectives helps students focus on acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge rather than getting sidetracked by less relevant details. 4. Resource optimization. Students can use the syllabus to identify and select appropriate study resources, such as textbooks, online materials, and practice questions. This targeted approach saves time and ensures that students are engaging with the most relevant materials. 5. Self-assessment and progress tracking. The syllabus serves as a checklist for students to assess their understanding and mastery of each topic. Regularly reviewing the syllabus allows students to track their progress and identify areas where they may need additional study or practice. 6. Alignment with standards. ACA syllabuses are designed to reflect current professional standards and industry practices. Familiarizing oneself with the syllabus ensures that students are up to date with the latest developments in the field and are prepared for the professional environment. 7. Increased confidence. A thorough understanding of the syllabus can boost students' confidence, as they will have a clear sense of what to expect in the exams and how to approach their studies strategically. Overall, F1 syllabus is a valuable tool that guides students through their studies, ensuring that they cover all necessary content and are well prepared for the exams. It's a fundamental step in achieving success in the ACCA qualifications. F1 2024-2025 syllabus, also known as Business and Technology, formerly FBT, outlines the knowledge and skills expected of candidates. This syllabus includes several key areas. 1. Business organization, stakeholders, and external environment. Understanding the purpose and types of businesses, stakeholders, and the impact of external environmental factors. 2. Business structure, governance, and accounting. Covering organizational structures, governance, ethics, and the role of accounting and reporting. 3. The accounting function, focused on the nature, source, and purpose of accounting information and the needs of various stakeholders. 4. Control and management, discussing the importance of internal controls, risks, and the role of accountants in managing these. 5. Technology in business, examining the impact of technology on business operations and accounting, including data management and cybersecurity. 6. Ethics in accounting and business, emphasizing the significance of ethical behavior and professionalism in accounting practices. This syllabus is effective for exams from September 2024 onwards. It includes learning outcomes that guide students on the skills they need to demonstrate in the examinations. In the Business Organization, Stakeholders, and External Environment section of the ACCA F1 syllabus, the following topics are covered. 1. Purpose and types of businesses. Business purposes. Understanding the primary objectives of businesses, including profit generation, social responsibility, and sustainability. Types of businesses. Differentiating between various forms of business organizations, such as sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and non-profit organizations. Each type has distinct characteristics regarding ownership, liability, management, and financial structure. 2. Stakeholders. Identification and roles. Identifying different stakeholders in a business, such as owners, employees, customers, suppliers, creditors, governments, and the community. Each stakeholder group has unique interests and impacts on the business. Stakeholder analysis. Understanding the influence and interests of various stakeholders, which is crucial for strategic decision-making and maintaining good relationships. 3. External environment. Environmental factors. Analyzing the external factors that affect businesses, including economic, political, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors, often referred to as pestle analysis. Impact of external factors. Understanding how these external elements can influence business operations, opportunities, and risks. This includes considerations of market dynamics, regulatory changes, technological advancements, and social trends. 4. Business environment. Macro and micro environment. Differentiating between the broader macro-environmental factors that affect all businesses and the more specific micro-environmental factors that directly impact individual businesses or industries. Strategic responses. Discussing how businesses can strategically respond to external challenges and opportunities, such as through innovation, market expansion, or compliance with regulations. This section of the syllabus emphasizes the importance of understanding the broader context in which businesses operate, including the roles and perspectives of various stakeholders and the dynamic nature of the external environment. In the Business Structure, Governance, and Accounting section F1 syllabus, the following key topics are addressed. 1. Organizational structures. Types of organizational structures. Understanding different types of business structures, such as hierarchical, flat, matrix, and network structures. Each structure has unique characteristics and influences on communication, decision-making, and operational efficiency. Advantages and disadvantages. Analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of each organizational structure, including aspects like flexibility, clarity of roles, and scalability. 2. Governance. Corporate governance. Exploring the principles and practices of corporate governance, which involve the systems, processes, and policies by which companies are directed and controlled. This includes the roles of the board of directors, management, and shareholders. Ethical governance. Emphasizing the importance of ethical behavior and integrity in governance practices. This includes adherence to laws, regulations, and ethical standards, as well as the implementation of internal controls to prevent fraud and ensure accountability. 3. Accounting and reporting. Role of accounting. Understanding the role of accounting in providing financial information that is useful for decision-making by management, investors, creditors, and other stakeholders. This includes recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions. Financial statements. Learning about the preparation and presentation of key financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These statements provide insights into a company's financial position, performance, and cash flows. Regulatory framework. Familiarity with the regulatory frameworks that govern financial reporting, such as International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. This includes the need for transparency, consistency, and comparability in financial reporting. 4. Ethics in accounting. Ethical standards. Understanding the ethical responsibilities of accountants and the importance of adhering to ethical standards in accounting practices. This includes issues related to confidentiality, integrity, objectivity, and professional behavior. Impact of unethical behavior. Discussing the consequences of unethical behavior in accounting, such as financial scandals, loss of stakeholder trust, and legal penalties. In the Accounting Functions section of the ACCA F1 syllabus, the focus is on understanding the fundamental aspects of accounting, including the nature, sources, and purposes of accounting information, as well as the needs of various stakeholders. Here are the key topics covered. 1. Nature of accounting information. Definition and scope. Accounting is defined as the systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting financial transactions. It provides essential information for decision-making. Types of accounting. Differentiation between financial accounting, focused on external reporting, and management accounting, focused on internal reporting and decision-making. 2. Sources of accounting information. Primary sources. These include financial transactions and events that are recorded in the books of accounts, such as sales, purchases, expenses, and receipts. Supporting documents. Documents like invoices, receipts, bank statements, and contracts that provide evidence for financial transactions. 3. Purpose of accounting information. Decision-making. Accounting information supports decision-making processes by providing relevant, reliable, and timely data. This includes budgeting, forecasting, and performance evaluation. Financial reporting. The preparation of financial statements, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, which provide a summary of the financial performance and position of an organization. Compliance. Ensuring adherence to legal and regulatory requirements, including tax obligations, financial reporting standards, and internal controls. 4. Stakeholder needs. Internal stakeholders. These include management, employees, and owners who use accounting information for decision-making, planning, and controlling operations. External stakeholders. This group includes investors, creditors, regulators, and the public, who rely on accurate and transparent financial information to assess the financial health and performance of a business. Information requirements. Different stakeholders have varied information needs, such as profitability, liquidity, solvency, and compliance. Accounting must provide relevant information tailored to these needs. 5. Characteristics of good accounting information. Relevance. Information must be applicable to the decisions being made. Reliability. Information should be accurate, complete, and free from bias. Comparability. Financial data should be comparable across different periods and with other organizations. Consistency. Methods and procedures should be applied consistently over time to ensure comparability. In the Control and Management section of the ACCA F1 syllabus, the focus is on understanding the importance of internal controls, identifying and managing risks, and the role of accountants in these processes. Here are the main topics covered. 1. Importance of internal controls. Definition. Internal controls are processes and procedures implemented by an organization to safeguard its assets, ensure the accuracy and reliability of financial information, promote operational efficiency, and ensure adherence to policies and regulations. Types of controls. These include preventive controls, designed to prevent errors or irregularities, detective controls, designed to identify errors or irregularities after they have occurred, and corrective controls, designed to correct identified issues. Components of internal control systems. Key components include the control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring activities. 2. Risk management. Identifying risks, understanding the various types of risks businesses face, including financial, operational, compliance, and strategic risks. Assessing risks, evaluating the likelihood and potential impact of identified risks to prioritize management efforts. Mitigating risks, implementing strategies and controls to minimize the adverse effects of risks, such as diversification, insurance, internal controls, and contingency planning. 3. Role of accountants in managing internal controls and risks. Design and implementation. Accountants play a critical role in designing and implementing internal control systems that align with the organization's objectives and regulatory requirements. Monitoring and review. Accountants are involved in monitoring the effectiveness of internal controls, conducting regular reviews and audits, and making recommendations for improvements. Ethical and professional responsibilities. Accountants must maintain integrity and objectivity in reporting and assessing internal controls and risk management processes. They must ensure transparency and accuracy in financial reporting and act as trusted advisors in governance and compliance matters. 4. Impact on financial reporting. Accuracy and reliability. Effective internal controls help ensure the accuracy and reliability of financial information, which is crucial for decision-making by management and other stakeholders. Compliance. Internal controls help ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and standards, reducing the risk of legal penalties and reputational damage. In the Technology and Business section of F1 syllabus, the focus is on understanding how technology impacts business operations and accounting, including aspects of data management and cybersecurity. Here are the detailed topics covered. 1. Impact of technology on business operations. Automation and efficiency. Technology has streamlined business processes through automation, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. This includes automated inventory systems, customer relationship management (CRM) software, and enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. Communication and collaboration. Digital tools and platforms enhance communication and collaboration within and outside the organization. Technologies like email, video conferencing, and collaborative platforms enable better coordination and faster decision-making. E-commerce and digital marketing. The rise of e-commerce platforms has transformed traditional business models, enabling companies to reach global markets. Digital marketing tools allow businesses to target specific audiences more effectively. 2. Impact on accounting. Accounting software and systems. The adoption of accounting software, such as QuickBooks, SAP, and Oracle, has revolutionized how financial transactions are recorded, processed, and reported. These systems enhance accuracy, speed, and data accessibility. Real-time financial reporting. Technology allows for real-time data processing and reporting, providing businesses with up-to-date financial information that is crucial for timely decision-making. Data analytics. The use of data analytics tools enables accountants to analyze large data sets, uncover trends, and provide valuable insights into business performance. This aids in predictive analysis and strategic planning. 3. Data management. Data collection and storage. Businesses generate vast amounts of data that need to be effectively managed. This includes structured data, like financial records, and unstructured data, like emails and social media content. Data integrity and accuracy. Ensuring the accuracy and integrity of data is critical for reliable financial reporting and decision-making. This involves setting up proper data validation and error-checking mechanisms. Data privacy. Compliance with data protection regulations such as GDPR is essential to safeguard personal and sensitive information. This includes implementing policies for data collection, storage, and sharing. 4. Cybersecurity. Threats and risks. Businesses face numerous cybersecurity threats, including hacking, phishing, malware, and data breaches. These threats can compromise sensitive information and disrupt business operations. Security measures. Implementing cybersecurity measures such as firewalls, encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits helps protect against these threats. Cybersecurity policies. Developing and enforcing comprehensive cybersecurity policies is crucial for ensuring that employees understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining security. This includes training on recognizing and responding to cyber threats. 5. Ethical considerations. Data ethics. Ethical considerations in the use of technology include ensuring data is used responsibly and ethically. This includes respecting user privacy, avoiding data manipulation, and ensuring transparency in data usage. In the Ethics in Accounting and Business section of the F1 syllabus, the emphasis is placed on the importance of ethical behavior and professionalism in accounting practices. The following key areas are covered. 1. Fundamental principles of ethical behavior. Integrity. This principle stresses honesty and straightforwardness in all professional and business relationships. Accountants must ensure that their actions and statements are truthful and transparent. Objectivity. Accountants should not allow bias, conflicts of interest, or undue influence from others to override their professional or business judgments. Professional competence and due care. Accountants must maintain their professional knowledge and skills to provide competent professional services. This includes continuing education and staying updated with relevant laws and standards. Confidentiality. Accountants are required to respect the confidentiality of information acquired during the course of their work and not disclose such information without proper authority or unless there is a legal or professional duty to disclose. Professional behavior. Accountants must comply with relevant laws and regulations and avoid any actions that could discredit the profession. 2. Ethical decision-making. Ethical dilemmas. Accountants may face situations where ethical considerations conflict with business objectives or personal interests. The syllabus covers how to identify, evaluate, and resolve ethical dilemmas using a structured approach. Ethical decision-making frameworks. Tools and frameworks are provided to help accountants make ethical decisions. These frameworks typically involve identifying the relevant facts, stakeholders, and ethical issues, considering alternative courses of action, and making a decision that aligns with ethical principles. 3. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, and sustainability, CSR. The role of accountants in promoting CSR practices, which involve businesses taking responsibility for their impact on society and the environment. This includes ethical business practices, community engagement, and sustainable development. Sustainability reporting. Accountants play a key role in sustainability reporting, which involves providing stakeholders with information about the environmental and social impacts of an organization's activities. 4. Ethics in corporate governance. Role of accountants. Accountants contribute to good corporate governance by providing accurate and reliable financial information, advising on ethical practices, and supporting transparency and accountability within the organization. Whistleblowing. The ethical and legal aspects of whistleblowing are covered, including the procedures for reporting unethical or illegal activities within an organization, and the protections available to whistleblowers. 5. Global ethical standards, international ethical standards. The syllabus includes an overview of international ethical standards, such as the International Ethics Standards Board for Accountants, IESBA, Code of Ethics for Professional Accountants. These standards provide a framework for ethical conduct across different jurisdictions. Thank you for watching the overall introduction to ACCA F1, Business and Technology. We hope this overview has provided you with a clear understanding of what to expect and how we will help you succeed in your studies. We look forward to seeing you in the next lecture, where we will dive deeper into the course content. Stay tuned and see you soon.